everybody, last video I picked this cutaway lock with standard pins in it, and this one we're going to do spool pins here. I'm going to just stick a key blank in, zoom in here so you can see the spool pins there. We got one is a standard pin and the rest are spools. And so let me go and get this thrown in a vise here, and we'll give it a go. Okay, so hopefully everybody can see, and as mentioned here, number one standard, the rest are spools. So we will go ahead and just start on number one. Nice click on one, a little bit of a false set. Okay, two, counter rotation, and we are set. Number three, a little counter rotation, and we are set. Four, okay, now four was actually sitting on the top of the spool, and I just clicked it into the spool, so we actually have a deeper false set. And let's get the counter rotation on four, and four is set. We'll head over to five, and a little bit of counter rotation on five. And it actually overset a little bit, and I was able to counter rotate it back and open it, which I can do because I can see it. But anyway, that's kind of a close-up there of picking spools with the SC1 Lishi. And check out the last video, it's picking standard pins. And of course, as always, any questions or anything, just leave them in the comments. And that will do it for now, and we'll talk to everybody later.